Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the domain. Make sure you have admin privileges. Once signed in, open Google Domains and find the domain name in the list. If required, confirm billing and identity verification now so DNS changes aren't blocked later. You're ready to act. Click the domain to enter its control panel, then pause to note current DNS, registrar lock, and name server settings before making any edits. Next, you'll modify DNS and service connections. First, lower TTL to 300 seconds if you expect rapid changes, then change or CNAME records to point to your host. For email, update MX records exactly as required by your provider and verify SBF/DKIM if available. Once done, test connectivity with DIG or an online checker. Make sure mail flow and site resolution match expectations. If linking, finally, restore security. Re-enable registrar lock and enable auto-renew to prevent accidental loss. Verify SSL is active and monitor site and email for several hours while propagation completes. If something's wrong, flush your DNS cache and test from multiple networks. Use whois and name server checks to confirm registrar changes propagated. If email delays persist, recheck MX and SBF records and TTL settings. One reliable troubleshooting tip. Revert recent record changes one at a time to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.